In this video, I will show you how to single player a copper tube. Watch it carefully to learn the basic techniques in flaring copper tube. So use the copper tube 0.028 in thickness and 3/8 in diameter. And this is the flaring tools that we are going to use. Flaring in copper tube. Before flaring, identify first the hole that will fit the copper tube. So in your flaring tools, you will see it in the hole. The sizes that uses in refrigeration and air conditioning. Right, so the size of this copper tube we are about to flare is 3/8. So fit in copper tube in a preset hole of the flaring bar. Then set aside first the flaring tools. Before flaring copper tube, always remember, insert first the flaring nut, especially when piping was already installed. So, hindi nyo na ito malalagay kapag hindi nyo inilagay kaagad. Next, use long nose to widen the end of copper tube before flaring. Luwagan lang na siya ng konti. Yan. So, bilugin ang ikot. The purpose of this technique is to pre-open the end of the copper tube to avoid crack from the lips of the copper tubings. Bilog natin itong gilid at hindi mabiyak-biyak. So, bukain lang siya ng konti. Okay. So, yan siya guys. Sorry. Okay, so then tsaka tayo mag-flaring. Now, time to set our flaring tools. Right, so ito yung ating flaring bar. And this is the flaring yoke. So, ganito siya. So, first, parang sa double flaring din, ilalagay lang natin ito after na maano ng long nose. So, after na mabuka ng long nose. Yan. Tapos, maglabas lang ng about mga 4 millimeter from the base. Ayan. So, ilabas lang siya ng mga 4 millimeters, 3 millimeters to 4 millimeters. Tandaan na bago kayo mag-flaring, laging nauunang ilalagay ang kanyang flaring nut. Then, higpitan. Para hindi kayo hirap maghigpit guys, unahin nyo yung mas malapit sa ating flaring. Ayan, higpitan siya. Okay, then, yung malayo. Okay. So, pag nagpi-flaring, kailangan na eksakto lang yung mapi-flare ninyo, hindi yung sobra. Kasi yun yung katulad nito. Yan, kung makikita nyo, biyak-biyak. Dami niyang biyak. Ayan, hindi siya masyado nano sa camera. Yan, makikita nyo, biyak-biyak kasi sobra. So, dapat eksakto lang. 3 to 4 millimeter lang ang ilalabas. So, pag naigpitan na, then lagay na natin ang ating yoke. Ang yoke. So, ito yung mag-flare. Okay, yan. So, higpitan lang, babagya. Higpit, balik. Higpit, balik. Hanggang sa lumalim. Higpit. Okay, then balik. Isa pa. Okay. Oops, nahulog. Alright. So here it is, guys. So luwagan lang ang ating mga butterfly nut ng ating flaring tools. So here it is, guys. Our finished product. Perfect. Single-layered copper tube. Remember na bago kayo mag-flaring, always na ikabit ang kanyang flaring nut bago kayo mag-flare. Thank you. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.